usually tend to reveal the beauty of our natural world and to turn the topic upside down somehow. So I was really excited when I got invited by the Fondation Beyeler to realize this project, because I really love the confrontation to work outdoor on big installation, and especially for the public. The main idea for me was to do this gigantic wraparound the facade of the department store, Globus. So right now in the back of the facade there is this big hole where they're gonna rebuild the whole building. The images represent this arid landscape, desert-like landscape and cacti, and this flow of wave. The black and white pattern, which is the biggest surface here for the wraparound, it's coming from this close observation from nature that I have since my childhood, actually, and since many years in my work in general, which could represent potentially the DNA of a leaf, all this perfection in terms of mathematical and geometrical aspect found directly in nature. For this pattern, I really wanted to have something that is very gently undulating and that really is into a more like horizontal path. The cactus is one of my signature work. I represent this shape in a quite cartoonish way to make it somehow more friendly. And while the cactus itself is, as said, very friendly-like, it's also explore another level of lecture here, which could represent maybe a potential version of our future as we are heading towards dryness. And the desert landscape that are actually very high, so really out of reach, while the waves are really connected to the height of the people, the passerby. There is this relation in the human scale, because it's almost as if the people could get absorbed by the waves themselves. The underlying topic is climate change, global warming, the terrible loss of our biodiversity, and the collapse of our natural world. One of the first aims is to offer the public a new view, something to contemplate on an everyday basis.